This video I will talk about the college IIT Dhanbad. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and bell icon to receive a notification on more such topics. So IIT Dhanbad was formerly known as Indian School of Mines or ISM and was a central university before it was converted into an Indian Institute of Technology or IIT and an institute of national importance in 2016. ISM, situated in the mineral-rich region of India, Dhanbad, is a college established to impart knowledge on mining and in today's time has grown into a technical institution with various academic departments. It is the third oldest institute which got converted into an IIT. Let's look on the various points regarding IIT Dhanbad. Ranking. IIT Dhanbad has ranked 25th best higher education institute in the country as per the NIRF. It has also ranked 29th among world-class institutions in mining, 3rd among the Asian institutes and 42nd among Indian universities in QS World University ranking. How to reach IIT Dhanbad? The institution is located in the heart of the city and can be reached conveniently. It is around 2 km distance and around 5 minutes drive from Dhanbad railway station and 3.3 km, that is around 6 minutes from Dhanbad airport. Campus life. The IIT campus is surrounded by offices related to minings. It covers academic buildings, hostels, the healthcare center, an automated central library and a central computer lab. IIT is a home to the Geological Museum, the Seismic Observatory, a data processing laboratory, the Long Wall Mine Gallery and the Remote Sensing Laboratory. There is also an availability of internet and Wi-Fi network throughout the campus. The IIT Dhanbad campus also includes facilities for various outdoor and indoor sports. The Students Activity Center or SAC has a swimming pool, gym and music club. Hostel life. Providing a fully residential hostel for students, staff and faculty, IIT or ISM has 10 hostels where 7 are for boys and 3 for girls. Due to rich history in the field of earth science, the hostels are named after precious stones as opal, topaz, sapphire, diamond, amber, emerald, jasper, ruby and rosaline. Each hostel has a mess, canteen, badminton courts, volleyball courts and a common halls except girls' hostel. It also consists of a gym. Courses. ISM offers various courses such as a 3 years MSc Tech of 6 semesters, 2 years MSc of 4 semesters, 2 years Management course of 4 years, MTech MPhil programs, 4 years BTech of 8 semesters, 5 years dual degree of 10 semesters, 5 years integrated MSc and 5 years integrated MSc Tech. Above mentioned, every course has a regular classes as well as practicals. GD presentations are also conducted to have a better prospect of the topics. Fee structure. Fees for all the specializations in BTech is around rupees 1 lakh per annum. It is rupees 58,950 and rupees 63,900 per annum for MTech and MSc respectively. Eligibility criteria. For getting admission in ISM, students should have scored at least 75% in their 12th boards and should have an excellent performance in all India level entrance exam. Admission procedure. Admission to BTech, MTech dual degrees, integrated MSc and MSc Tech programs are carried out on basis of IIT JEE score. MSc admission will be based on the entrance test conducted by ISM on all India basis. CAT exam performance is considered for the admission in MBA programs, which is followed by a group discussion and personal interview, and that for PhD program through GATE score or written test and interview. Placements. IIT Dhanbad has given a magnificent performance in the placement record. Every year, many reputed firms visit a campus providing various job offers. In comparison with last year, there was a slight decline in the placement record this year. It was more than 80% for last year and this year it was approximately 76% for BTech batch. CSE branch grabbed the highest offers for this year, that was rupees 39.5 lakh per annum. Adobe, Amazon, Microsoft, Tata Steel, ONGC are some of the top recruiters of IIT Dhanbad. Apart from all these points, the life of IIT or ISM is excellent. Focusing on other curricular activities, it includes the students published biannual campus newspaper, Mailer Daemon, the annual Inter-College Cultural Fest, Srijan, the annual Techno Management Fest, Concerto, the annual Sports Fest, Parakram, and the Spring Fest, Vasant. All these things makes the life of ISM students great. That's all for this video. Do comment in the comment section what are the colors you would like us to look at. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you.